This generator on the back of the Tesla, I just got back from a 8-day, 7-night trip. And one thing that I was missing on this trip is in the frunk of this car. Well, it's actually not in the frunk, but right here, this is the good idea of a spare tire, which a Tesla is missing a spare tire. How important is that? I am Josh Demp, the YouTube creator behind the channel Dr. Demp, and I just want to thank all my audience for 500,000 views in the past 28 days rolling on my account. So we're about to talk about a spare tire in a Tesla like the ones that you see right behind me. So this is a pretty incredible product that I'm about to show you guys that I'm pretty impressed with. Well, you can put an inflator in your Tesla, but say if you hit a pothole and you damage the rim, this inflator is not going to work for you on a long trip because it's not going to be able to air up a bent rim or a tire that's completely shredded. So that's where this company comes in right here. I have a spare tire now. This is the whole kit in the back of this Tesla Model 3 right here. And the name of this kit right here is called Stance Magic. So Stance Magic spare wheel and tire kit. This fits a 2017 Model 3 and newer, so all the way up to the current 2025 Tesla, and it has the whole kit. You don't have to have any tools and able to install this spare tire kit. It's in a really nice case, and I just want to show you on this table. This is the whole kit right here. So it does not fit in the frunk like I was suggesting. Maybe one day we'll have a drop-in kit where it will fit in the frunk. Maybe the designers of this kit could make a tray, because I know there is a whole lot of space up underneath that plastic tray. Me being a master technician, and I've worked in the field as a master technician, advanced level specialist for my professional career for 15 years. I just feel like there should be a spot for a spare tire like there is in a whole lot of different vehicles. They make a trunk space. Tesla just does not make a space designated for a spare tire. But luckily we have companies like this. It's even got these really nice carry handles right here on both sides. You can carry it like a pizza. And then it has a zipper that goes all the way around this bag right here. So it's like a half moon and it opens up. So it's got a QR code, and we're gonna unbag this thing and show you exactly what's in there in this video. Before we get to this Stance Magic complete spare tire kit for the Tesla, we are going to show you this Starlink in a future video, but I just wanted to show you, I've got my Starlink Mini and I cannot wait to install this in the Tesla. I've got some different adapters right here, USB-C, we're going to power that from, and then I've also got this special adapter. We're going to put that on a Insta360 pole mount and see what type of speeds we get with it on top of the car, inside the car. I got some special mounts coming for you guys. You're gonna really like these next videos on my channel, and I cannot wait to show you guys that Starlink kit installed on my Tesla. If you missed my last video with this Honda generator on the back of my Tesla and you're like, why does a Tesla have a generator or need a generator? Check out my next video, but it has nothing to do with charging the car. However, it can charge the car at a very slow rate at about 7.3 miles per hour. But it's mounted to a Squatch mount plate by Fitting Designs Company, and you're gonna wanna check out that video if you're interested in that setup. Click my channel after this one and you can watch the full generator video. But first, we're going to talk about this Stance Magic kit right here. We're going to unbox it, and then I also have some tools right here. So I used to be an advanced level specialist, master technician, or some people call us regular old mechanics, whichever you prefer. So I've got some snap-on tools right here. This is a torque wrench that I actually used, and then I also have my big Milwaukee that sometimes I keep on long trips in my car. Now, if you don't have special tools like those and you just want a spare tire in your car, you can actually just keep this kit in the trunk of your Tesla. You can even put it on your back seat if your trunk's full on a trip, and you have the whole kit. You are covered with a spare tire, and according to the label, it has a 17 millimeter reversible socket, 19, 21, and 22. So even if you've changed your lug nuts to an aftermarket wheel and tire setup, you should be able to be covered with these sockets that's in here. You've got a special scissor jack that already has the hockey puck installed to be able to lift your Tesla. And this company actually has other spare tire kits. They don't just have Tesla spare tire kits. You can get these on Amazon, but I'm going to have an affiliate link in the description below. So right here, we're gonna unbox this thing, and I'm pretty excited because it comes in a plastic wrapper. So that's whenever you know the tire is essentially brand new right here. And it's still got the nubbies on this thing. So it does appear to be a aluminum rim, very nice finish, and it's pretty lightweight. So this whole kit right here, even with the jack, weighs under 40 pounds. So this, basically this tire, it does say max of 50, so you can't put all 4 of these puppies on right here. And you'd probably get really good economy because it's so thin. But you can see it's got really nice tread. It's got a very nice finish on it. It's like a high gloss black, so it's not like those ugly Mercedes, sometimes BMW. Their spare tire is painted like a bright orangish red color, and basically I would be embarrassed to drive that thing around. So this thing right here, it could probably blend in with your basically your wheels that's on the Tesla itself. So this is a pretty unique kit. So it comes with this really nice heavy duty bag. It's got a nice zipper on it. We can go inside the bag, and it's really heavy duty. It has a zipper right here, if I can get the light in the right spot right here. And we're about to pull out another bag. This is like Christmas time, a present inside of a present. So I would believe this would be all, I'm gonna check this bag right here, make sure I got everything out of it. Yep, that's everything. So right here, it is in another, this seems like a very heavy duty bag with a drawstring, and this is exactly what I expected. So it has a scissor jack right here, and you can see that it's already got the puck. That's pretty cool because it already has the Tesla special puck right there with the O-ring. Be able to lift it so you don't put it on the battery. That's ingenious to include that with the kit. Then we have some gloves. We have a nice pair of gloves right there. And then it is like Christmas, a bag inside of 3 bags right here. So that is all of that bag. I'm waiting for another bag right here. But that is cool. That's a breaker bar. Look at that. These people, this company right here, Stance Magic, thought of everything. That is a 1/2-inch drive. You can see right there. It's kind of like a nightstick too. It comes out and it's got a good rubber handle to it. Oh, there, I knew it. We've got an extra puck. It looks like it's got a smaller O-ring adapter right there. So I'm sure that this probably pops off in some way, shape, or form. It does appear, oh, it unscrews. I was trying to pull it. So this unscrews right here, and you can screw in another smaller puck if this puck doesn't work on your vehicle, which, I mean, that's ingenious. So it fits multiple different models. It has the little hubcap adapter. This is the wheel trim removal tool. So if you have hubcaps, like a lot of us do on our Teslas, you can get them off. That's good to know. Then we have a ratchet wrench. This appears like, hold on, we've still got more stuff. We've got different sockets right here. So this appears like it would be for the, yep, that's exactly. So it's for, operate this jack right here. It comes with this, it's almost like a ratchet wrench. So you can ratchet it, and it's got a little lever right here. You can flip it to reverse it. So obviously if you've got all the pressure, the weight of the vehicle on here, you're gonna need to ratchet it the opposite direction. So that is pretty cool. But without any weight on it, you can do that by hand. This is like a typical scissor jack. You just want to watch out in there because the actual screw assembly does have a light coat of grease. As you've seen, I just got a little bit of grease on my finger. But right there, I've got it all the way back down like it's supposed to be. We'll set that over to the side, and then we've got 2 sockets right here. I believe what's on my car is a 21 millimeter. So we've got a 17 and a 19. This is a reversible socket. It clips right there. They've thought of everything with this kit. So we can clip on whichever size socket that we need. If you've got custom wheels, you'll probably need that 17 millimeter socket. And right there, that is a 21. And it also says 7/8 or a 22 or a 13/16, which is pretty much a 21. So I would need that right there to be able to break my lug nuts loose with this kit. If you do have an inflator, which I would highly suggest you putting an inflator regardless if you have this spare tire kit in your car or not, it's always good to have an inflator. And I do not believe new Teslas come with an inflator. I believe this is like a $70 option to have this almost exact kit right here from the Tesla website. And it comes with a bottle of the glue right here. This is just really thick, like the slime stuff. And then it comes with a self-inflator right here. This is just a little kit that you can keep in your car. Really nice and handy to have. If you don't have one of those, which like me, I keep this in my car. It has a digital readout and it's a Milwaukee brand. I've already got this, I've bought into this whole 18 volt kit, and you can see a lot of my tools on my channel, previous videos have these batteries. So I usually just keep this in the trunk of my car. It fits up underneath the sub trunk, and I would love in the future to add this as well. I keep this on trips because, however, this is nice to have a breaker bar. It just makes it so much easier too. If you do have access to power tools like this, you could probably potentially save at least about 2 minutes on the side of the road, which that is critical. If you're on the side of the road, especially like the interstate, you do not want to spend a whole lot of time on the side of the road because it is extremely dangerous just in the event that you do have to change a spare tire. So this right here, saving a couple of minutes could potentially save a life on the side of the road. So I would advise keeping, if you do have the tools, keep them in your trunk as well. And that would make changing the spare tire a whole lot easier to do. If you would like to get this and keep it in your Tesla, you can click the link down below. It is an affiliate link, so it does help the channel out just slightly. So I would appreciate it, and I enjoyed showing you guys this Stance Magic kit. So please subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. And like you've seen earlier in the video, there's going to be a Starlink installation video on this Tesla Model 3 and behind me on my future trips. And then also I'm going to show you more of this Honda generator with the Squatch Mount plate. I've got a new custom design coming for it as well that I'm pretty excited to show you guys on the channel. So there's a whole lot coming. Stay tuned, click the subscribe button, and make sure and like and share.